How to excel at anything you put your mind to. Embarking on a journey to excel in any endeavor requires a combination of determination, strategic planning, and a growth mindset. Whether you're pursuing a career, honing a skill, or achieving personal goals, this video will provide you with practical tips and insights on how to excel at anything you put your mind to. 1. Preparation. Do your best in the preparation stage. Whether it's studying for a test, practicing a sport, putting together a project, setting up an event, preparing a presentation, or reviewing over your notes, make sure you do your best. You should know the material or be competent in whatever you're attempting to do. Doing your best in the preparation stage is vital to you excelling at whatever you do. 2. Performance. When you prepare well, you'll perform well. You'll execute at a high level. So, after you've done your best in the preparation stage and it's time to perform, make sure you give it your all. Prepare, focus, and do your best. 3. Adjust and adapt on the go. Things may not go as planned, no matter how well you prepared. So, make sure you adjust and respond wisely to the situation. Don't let it frustrate you or make you quit. Just adapt to what's going on and respond with wisdom. 4. Keep a resilient and hopeful attitude. Everything will turn out for the best, and good things will happen. Just keep a hopeful attitude and stay resilient. Even if you encounter challenges, difficulties, or setbacks, stay focused, know that good things will happen, and do what you're to do. Everything will work out and you'll excel at what you're doing. Excelling at anything you put your mind to is a journey that requires dedication, resilience, and continuous self-improvement. By setting clear goals, maintaining a mindset of excellence, and incorporating these practical tips into your routine, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full potential and achieving excellence and success in your chosen endeavor. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, so enjoy the process of growth and discovery along the way. I hope you achieve your goals. I hope you accomplish your dreams. And I hope you excel at everything you put your mind to.